Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have another haul, and I'll bet you're thinking, but I thought you were saving for the 2023 BlytheCon. Well, I am. Most of this is for the 2023 BlytheCon. Why do I keep talking about it? Because I want you to go, and I want you to save. Okay, so let's see what I did get. Where to start? Not going to open it yet, but come on, guys. Seriously. That is absolutely ridiculous. We went to town yesterday. Darren's birthday was the 25th, and we are recording this on Saturday the 24th. We went to town to celebrate his birthday, and who got the gifts? Me. Hobby Lobby is now using, or had these, I'm going to guess now using, paper bags again. If you go to Hobby Lobby and you are given one of these bags, smile, because what they gave you is an absolutely perfect paper to copy patterns onto or make your patterns out of. This lasts really well. It's thick. It's nice. I was happy to see it. Yeah, I got a couple things. I got a couple things. They were having a sale, and, well, need I say more? I did get two more of these midi size Santa coats. These were 50% off. These, in case you didn't see this on my channel before, these little ornaments will fit a midi sized Blythe, and it's really cute. Okay, so they had, let's see, their Christmas was 50% off. So, oh my God, look at that. Will that not make some beautiful Blythe outfits? This was 50% off. This was $3 a yard. And if you're thinking Wednesday Addams, you're right. And I really like this star print. Yes, it could be used for Christmas, but that could be used every single day. I really like it. This could too, actually. Really like that print. They had some prints on clearance. This was on clearance for $4 a yard. I love this. It's a little, there's another print like this that's not as bright. And yeah, I think I like it better, but I like this. I like the brightness to it, and it makes really cute Blythe or any doll outfits, but with their big heads, you can actually use this, and it's very whimsical. Look at this. This was, I might have paid full price for that because I want to make some skirts out of it. Okay, I just couldn't help myself. What is with the avocado print? Darren and I were laughing. We saw a lot of avocado print fabrics, and I said, well, you know what happened? The people that make the fabric said, you know, we really need something new besides llamas and flowers and stars. And somebody said, how about avocados? And somebody said, what? And they said, avocados. And it became a thing. The tulle was 60 cents a yard. And I went ahead and got some. It's beautiful. You can use these for so many things. Mermaid tails is one thing that would be very nice for. I got this. This was on, I think this was on clearance or marked down. Either way, I really like this. I have a Kayla and Josephine American Girl dolls. I thought this would be absolutely beautiful to make a dress for them out of. Had to have this. I love it. And to go with it, I had to have that. So that's what I got at Hobby Lobby. You know, you get to the right, you know, you think, well, I'm only getting a half yard and it's $3, so that's $1.50. And oh, and this, I love this. This is such a silly little whimsical print. It's perfect for Blythe dolls. It just is. Yeah, and you say, well, it's kind of big. Yeah, because it's whimsical. But you get to the register, you know, you buy, you know, I only bought a quarter yard of this one and a a half a yard of this one, and that's only $1.50, and these were 60 cents, and this was da da da. And you get there and you hear the price, and you're like, oh, is that right? But then it got worse, because after we left Hobby Lobby, and I needed those fabrics, by the way. We left Hobby Lobby, and I said, oh, I spent so much. I'm not going to Joann's today. And then we went other places, and we went out to eat, and we were getting ready to hit the highway and come home, because we live in a smaller town, so we go to a bigger town to go to the fabric stores. And I said, oh, you know what? I really wanted that 60s print that I had bought for Peaches. I really like it. I didn't buy much. It wasn't inexpensive. Well, it was on sale. But I still only got a half a yard. Oh, I love this print. But I said, I want to go get that. I'll kick myself if they're out of it. Because if you see fabric in a store and you like it, buy it, because when it's sold many times, that's it. You'll never see it again. So we went there. I said, I'm only going to go in and get this and white fabric, because I've been using white fabric for trims, and I need it for a little shirt. Actually, I have the shirt cut out, but I need backup because it's going to be tedious. I said, that's all I'm going to get. I'm going to go in and get that, and we'll leave. Well, they were having a sale, and I love this. I bought this.
First, show them the white.
This morning, the day after, I was thinking about, I wake up and I think about what I'm going to do that day, and I kind of plan it in my mind, and it occurred to me, I did not buy that white fabric. I don't do white. I can't wear white. When I sew white, you should see me. I wipe everything down first. We have dogs, we have cats. Wipe everything down real well. Let it dry, because you don't want that white to pick. I'm a mess with white. If I put on a white shirt, promise you, I won't hit the front door before it's dirty. White pants, oh, no such thing in my world. Anyway, they had some on sale. I saw this. At first, I was like, eh. And the more I looked at it, the more I liked it, because it's kind of a modern day 60s twist. And I got to the register, and I was only going to get, I can't remember if I was going to get a half yard or a quarter yard. And she measured it out. I think this would have been a quarter yard. And she said, oh, that's not quite a full yard. And she measured it, and she said, I can give that to you for the remnant price of whatever it was. So whatever it was a bigger side than I was buying, and it came out cheaper. Who's not buying that? I did. And the same thing happened with, look at this. Oh, I love this. It's like 60s print meets, what are those glass windows? Stained glass window meets Christmas. Who doesn't love this? I mean, seriously. So, again, I think I was going to get a half a yard of this, because I figured I could make some skirts out of it, and I want to make Peaches a Christmas dress out of it. And then again, she's like, well, that's not quite a yard. And yes, I do want it. Thank you. So I got it for like, I don't know, it was like $2 and something for the rest. It's like, heavens, yes, I want that. And I bought this before, and I got it home. I just bought a small piece. And I thought, oh, I'll make such and such out of that. And I thought, oh, I didn't buy very much. So I bought a little bit. I bought this for my chubby Blythe. I thought that would be cute on her. And then I'm going to kick myself for not getting more of this. This is the way it is on the bolt, and I really like it. I really like this. I don't know, there's something about this. It's like a 60s peacock with orange and yellows thrown in or something. I'm wondering how it's going to look on Birdie. But I got it 7 inches, because 7 inches will make a gathered skirt for a Blythe doll. Now, it's not going to be a big bell. It's just going to be a little gathered skirt. So I got 7 inches, because this is the way it is on the bolt, but I want to turn it this way to make gathered skirts. I really like it. Then, God love Darren. Like, I don't spend enough money. He said, Simplicity Patterns are on sale. He always goes and checks that. When I mail these to you, thank Darren, because he is so sweet. I don't work outside the home. He sponsors my whole doll thing. Anyway, so they had patterns. I'm going to be able to do some collabs with you all. I'm going to ask people to join me. I've got more of these each. One of these, I said these were side by side, and I was going for this one. And a lot of them they didn't have, or they only had one or whatever. And I said, well, see if they have this one. They had this one, they had two. This one was right by it. I'm like, oh, I was kind of looking at that one because that's, to me, this is the best pattern there is for your fashion dolls. You have everything here. You have a fashion dress. You have jacket, pants, shorts, tops. You have 4 different tops. You have the over piece to this, which we could call a jacket, but that's really a jacket. You've got the hood, everything. You have everything in this pattern you could want to make. Wonderful pattern. And then what I really want to look for was this, because I offered one of these to someone, Tina, of Tina Reborns and More, who loves Harry Potter. And I went to get it, and I don't know, I think maybe I went ahead and mailed all those out. But I love this pattern, so I got her one. I got an extra one that I'm going to hang on to right now. But if you're interested in doing the collabs where we all get the same pattern and make it up, I would love to do that with you. I can't do them right this minute. It'll be a while before I can. I've got a lot going on, but as soon as that settles down, I would love to. What I really want to do is one, let me know if you're interested in the comments, an AG doll Christmas outfit. And I have some dress patterns. Okay, let's see what Aliexpress did send me. Oh, I'm so spoiled. Like I said, I'm getting geared up for BlytheCon 2023. I know it sounds like it's a long way away, but I've got a lot to do between now and then. I got 2 pairs of these Blythe size high heels. I really like these. I bought a pair of these and I changed them up, so I bought another red pair. I really like them. Not so much on the strap. If you get those and want to use a strap, you're going to have to heat that strap up and stretch it before you put it on your doll. Do not stress your doll's ankle stretching it to fit. Stretch it first. Try it on, see if it fits. If it doesn't, stretch it first. I don't know what this is, but I am hopeful. I am waiting for some fabrics to come, you know, because I have nothing to do. Quite honestly, I am sewing. Darren will tell you, I am sewing more than ever. And every day I get up and get things going, and then I sew till noon. Sometimes I sew in the afternoons, and then I usually do my hand sewing at night. Oh, cool. These are gifts. Oh, these are gifts. This one's mine. That one's mine. These are little coats. Blythe size fun fur coats. Let me grab a Blythe doll and show you one. Tell you what, show you in a second. Let's open these, because this has already gotten kind of long. Sorry about that, but I am spoiled. Okay, what's in here? Oh. This is for Peaches. This is her coat. All right. Oh, this is funny. This came with Darren's name on it. And Darren gets not as many packages as he used to. I, on the other hand, get more than ever. So something came with Darren's name on it. He's like, I don't know what it is. So later he came in shaking it to show me what it was. Mr. Super Clear. Yes, I have a stack of dolls I am working on, and I'm running out of Mr. Super Clear. I'm going to tell you a couple things about Mr. Super Clear. If you use this, seriously, this is really serious, wear a mask. It has so many precautions on the back. Wear a mask and be sure you shake it for 2 minutes. I saw a YouTuber, she did an absolutely gorgeous face up, had hours and hours and hours in it. She shook her well, but when she went to put that last coat on, it splattered. And she said she thinks it's because she didn't shake it like she should have during the use of the can, and therefore the bottom was not right. All right, let's open this mess. This just makes me angrier and angrier. Seriously, they're sitting on these or something. I mean, it's like they're jumping down on them to sit. Somebody's angry that I'm buying from China. What they don't know is everything they're wearing and doing and the cars they drive, made in China. Okay. Oh, I thought this was another package. Imagine my disappointment. Okay, let's see how, good God. I can't even save this box to reuse it, which makes me mad because I need them. We better check this girl out good. This is for a gift. It's not a secret that I am doing face-ups on Blythe dolls as gifts for the meetup at the 2023 BlytheCon. This is the meetup, the second annual YouTubers meetup that Let's Talk About It with Jamie and I kind of spearhead. And this year for my consistent, active YouTubers, that is, you watch my videos, you leave a comment, and you leave a like. I'm doing a face-up and making clothes for, they'll get a stand, and of course other things for a Blythe doll this year. That's going to be my gifts. Okay, let's check her. Oh yeah, she's fine. I'm going to check her legs real good though. Oh, don't you love these dolls? She's so beautiful. And I know who she's going to. Their hair, I will warn you, on these Blythe dolls is not coming in as nice as it was. I don't know if you can see that, but that's cut. It's cut like a style. I will say that. I know some of you will say, well, if you went and got your hair cut, that's how they do it. Yeah, but I like the straight across cut. As you can see, it's a little choppy, so I don't know what I'm going to do there. I'm not really good at cutting doll hair. Well, actually I am, but it takes more time than I want to. You know, you gotta cut it blunt and then you gotta work it out. What I need is for Darren to make some sort of stand for him to stand up while I work back here and can pull this out and cut and all that. Anyway, let's check legs. Oh yeah, she's fine. She is fine, but I am not happy. All right, let's look at one of these coats. Look how stinking cute that little coat is. Oh my goodness. And it was listed as a Barbie coat, so I knew it would be longer. Oh gosh, I love this. And they're very soft, very, very soft. I'm very pleased. Can't wait to try Peaches on her and get this little girl going for someone at the meetup. If you're coming to the meetup, I need to know, and you also need to be a consistent, active subscriber. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.